Hey everyone, we're back again with another mini demo, this time with the 1170 RapidColor Napkin Pro configuration. You can see the entire configuration right here. From right to left, we've got our napkin feeder here. Moving towards the middle, you've got the conveyor with our 1170 FI1000 print head and the conveyor that it sits above, as well as the table, 4-foot table that it rests on. And then at the end, you've got our delivery tray that we're going to be collecting everything. Included with the system is also all the software and the computer to run everything. So let's go ahead and get into the details. Starting here, you've got our napkin feeder that comes with this system. It is a vacuum-based system, so it does have a vacuum that's built into the feeder that's going to be included with this. With the controls, you've got variable speed and variable vacuum suction as well. Moving along, you've got the bar that's right here. You can see there are different holes that run along this entire bar to help pull that napkin down, and there are caps that are, or plugs that are included to accommodate for different size of napkins, which, speaking of different size of napkins, this particular feeder can handle 3 inches small on up to 10 inches wide and 5 inches on up to 15 inches in length. And coming back around the hopper here, you can see that these side guides are repositionable. They telescope in left and right, depending on the size of napkin that you have. And again, like we said, these suction cups and these caps are adjustable too, depending on the size of the napkin. They go down here to the roller to help transition the napkin out of the hopper. These rollers as well are repositionable, again, for the different size. And it comes down to our table right here. So we've got 2 marble rack registrations that are in place to help with the transition. And then there's also these guides right here and right here that will telescope in and out to help keep that napkin is registered all the way through as it goes onto the conveyor. You also see this red light. This is a double sheet detection sensor that's in place to help prevent any double sheets or double napkins for feeding through. Moving along, you've got the conveyor and our print head. Again, this is our 1170 print head. It is a HP inkjet print head. Capable of 12 by 1200 or 12 by 600 resolution. This can do bleed if you would like to do so. And it is a CMYK inkjet printer. And it is a quick dry. There's no heat involved, there's no UV, but once these napkins come off, you will be able to pick them up and they will not smudge. And because of the ink, the Aqueous ink, you can get these wet and they won't run either. Moving along, you'll also see on the conveyor that it's perforated, so there is the vacuum if you would need it, but we're not going to be running it here today. And then you can see we ran some napkins already, but you've got the delivery tray right here with the repositionable pieces to accommodate for the different size of napkins, whatever that you're running. Here's a look at the software. So let's go ahead and just get this pulled up and press print, and we can watch this run. We're going to wait for the green lights down here to engage and tell us that it's ready. It may do a slight maintenance to make sure that everything's in order, and then we will watch this print. All right, we'll start. And that is a demo of the 1170 Napkin Pro configuration. If you have any questions, check us out at postmark-usa.com. Thanks.